Can you hear it? That quiet time before bed, the soft buzz of a streetlight outside the window, the sound of pages turning, the gentle smell of soap still clinging to the air. Meet Ava, a mom who works late and still finds time to grade papers after her 10-year-old son, Leo, falls asleep. Leo, why did you forget your homework again? Your grades are slipping. Are you even trying? She doesn't mean to hurt him. She wants him to be better. But every time she looks at him, all she sees are problems to solve. Then, one day, the phone rings. It's a parent she barely knows. Mrs. Ava, they say warmly. We just wanted to thank you. For what, she asks. Our daughter said Leo helped her when she was upset. He didn't laugh, he listened. Thank you for raising such a kind-hearted boy. Ava sits quietly after the call ends. Something inside shifts, so she starts watching. At first, nothing obvious, just little moments. Leo helping his baby cousin tie her shoes, singing off-key to make his mom laugh after a hard day, drawing stories with characters no one else could imagine. Then, something bigger. She makes a new rule. Every night, instead of pointing out what went wrong, she'll name one thing Leo did right. First night, you were so patient today. Second night, that drawing made me smile. Third night, I heard you helping someone that was kind. Leo started sitting taller, talking more, laughing louder. One evening, he looked up and said, "You don't yell as much anymore." She smiled. "Maybe I just needed to learn how to see you better." And then came the moment that changed everything. Leo brought home a science project, messy handwriting, mislabeled diagrams, spelling mistakes. In the past, Ava would have pointed them out first. This time, she paused. Instead of saying, "Look at these errors," she said, "Look at this idea." She sat beside him and said, "Tell me about it." Leo lit up. He explained each part with excitement, pride, and creativity. It wasn't perfect, but it was full of heart. From that day on, Ava made a promise, not just to Leo, but to herself. She'd use the microscope to understand mistakes gently, and the magnifier to spotlight greatness clearly. Before, Ava focused on mistakes. Leo felt like he wasn't enough. After, Ava celebrated his heart and talent. Leo stood tall, confident, seen, and soon, others noticed too. Teachers said Leo was more confident. His little sister followed him around like he was a hero. Praise no longer came from perfection, but from presence. Just like Ava now hears things like, on the phone, "Thank you for helping my child feel confident." In a note, "Your son made our daughter feel like she mattered." From parents, "You're raising a kind-hearted leader, thank you." So ask yourself, who in your life deserves more praise than correction? What would change if you used the microscope less and the magnifier more? Tell us or write it down today. We'd love to cheer you on.